Hello, welcome to this Aqua Airways flight. While we are preparing to take off, we'd like to inform you of the safety features of this aircraft. The Roblox Aviation Administration requires you to have a personal seat. The toilet is not a personal seat. If there are no seats available, please ask our crew about cargo class. Before departure, please stow any baggage and children in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. Smoking and dances from the For You page are prohibited on this flight. Please refrain from dancing until you have left the destination airport. Please take a moment to look around the cabin for your nearest emergency exit and say "banana" once you've found it. In case of an evacuation, please only panic after the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Thank you for choosing Aqua Airways. We wish you a pleasant flight.
She was always smiling from ear to ear, and everybody wondered if round would she ever know the feeling of tears. All she said to them was, live your life just like you're young again. No, don't you cry, just get back up again. 'Cause if you want a life to live it better, if you want love and stay together, if you want to smile and be forever. Curious kind, to hate she was blind, always love on her mind, just come my name. She couldn't quite figure out what fear's all about. my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.